USB connector broken from this logic board for Canon scanner. Let's fix it. Its mounting pads are also separated from the PCB that are here. PCB print is separated. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. I will take double face tape and I will hold the connector on this tape. Let's verify its connections. Clear, 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 ground, ground. These both pins are connected to ground. These two pins. From here, these are connected at same point. This is good. Then this data pin is reaching here, not connected to body and not connected to closer pin. The second pin here, not connected here, so it is good. This pin here. This connection good. This okay. Okay. So all connections are good. If you enjoyed this idea, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.